This question says, find a third times n. Anytime you don't see a sign or an operation between a number and a letter, then we know it's a times. The third times n. So that reminds us of scalar multiplication. Okay, so just a reminder, take note or recall. All right. For scalar multiplication, you multiply each element by the scalar value that's outside of the matrix. So this question says a third times n. Where is n? Here is n. N is a 2 by 2 matrix. Here it is. Let's make a copy of it. And let's bring it here. So this is n right there. So in order to find a third times n, we need to multiply each element in n by a third. So a third times n is equal to, so go to equation, make sure you put your, all right, write a third. All right, a third times, and put our bracket, and we go click in the bracket, and we want to insert a 2 by 2 matrix, right? So 6, 3, 0 occupies the second row, first column. So 0 is in the 2 by 2, 2, 2, 1, and negative 6 is in the position 2, 2. So now third times this matrix is the same as a third. So we can call a code of third times the matrix, because remember we said whenever you don't see a sign, there's an automatically times. Okay, so therefore now here is n, and we've got to multiply each element of n, or each element in n, by a third. We have to multiply a third to 6. Okay. We have to multiply a third to 3. We have to multiply a third to 0. And we also have to multiply a third to negative 6. Okay. This will give us our product. Okay. Because we are multiplying. We have 4 products to get. Okay. So a third times 6, that will be like 6 divided by 3. That should be 2. the one we can verify. Food times 6 is 2, as you can clearly see. The third times 3, that should give us 1. A number multiplied by 0 is 0. And a third times negative 6. That should give us negative 2. So here's another example of scalar multiplication.